Hello and welcome to Soul Tarot by Nehal. This is going to be a reading for the period of February 16th to the end of February 2025 for the zodiac sign Libra. Please remember this is a general reading and it may or may not resonate with you. If it resonates, let me know in the comments down below. If not, skip this one. If you feel any of your loved ones could benefit from this reading, kindly share the channel with them as well. And if I mean all the other important links are down in the description below, so if you wish to check them out, kindly go in the description and check them out. So thank you so much and let's begin. Okay, first thing I need to say that you are definitely being protected. There are protective hands over you, and if you're really worried about certain things, it's like not needed to worry, because yes, whatever the situation may be where you feel that you need protection, you are being protected, so don't worry, be rest assured. Other than that, this is it is actually a beautiful time for you to actually start working towards something that you really believe in. It could be in the work form, it could be in something about yourself, it could be anything, but whatever you feel that and it could be a very it could be an original idea, let's say that way. So if at all it is something of that sort, it's a beautiful time to start working on it and do whatever is needed to achieve that kind of what do we say, so that kind of whatever solutions or whatever resources you need, it's good to start working in that direction in this time, because this is going to actually birth something really nice. And it's going to be something that you will absolutely love. So yes, if there is something like that, it could be an idea, it could be anything. If there is something like that, start working on it. Let's dive deep and see other messages coming to you in different aspects of your life. Okay, let's open this. We'll open 4 cards over here because this popped up, which nice. Okay, so this seems to be, let me just adjust. Okay, great. So to begin with, the very first thing I would say again, yes, new beginnings are here. They are coming out of nowhere. They'll be all of a sudden, so which is amazing though, because they will make you happy. They will make you feel very content also with time. Creativity is going to be on fleek, and the interesting part is that whatever these new beginnings are coming, this is literally what you prayed for. So your prayers are in a way being answered, and hence obviously you would feel happy and content with it. You're also going to see growth, you're going to see emotional stability, peace, calm. So you're going to be in a very joyful and a happy state. You're moving in that direction now, so that is the phase that you are now entering. Again, if there was some things that you were confused about, or there was lack of clarity, clarity is also what is coming in. The only thing I would say here is don't overwork yourself. You may have the tendency to overwork, and that is what you should not do it. It is like it's not necessary for you alone to carry every burden. Sorry. What you can do is delegate what can be delegated to others, because it's time to build a team for certain things, or whatever it is. It's time for kind of delegating instead of taking all the burden on yourself. So whether it is again in a personal life also, you don't need to take everyone's burden. You can delegate things, and you can do it beautifully, you can do it in a very nice way, so politely. So you should rather focus on doing that instead of taking all the burdens in personal and professional life both. work wise, the interesting part is that things are getting slowly sorted. Whatever was, lacking, or whatever you were struggling with, they are coming together. Like, it's like all the puzzle pieces of the puzzles are now coming together, and hence you will see a better way of functioning when it comes to your work life. Challenges that you were facing at one point are going to be a thing of a past in work life, and what I suggest here is also that only take your lessons moving forward of whatever work error you may have felt that happened in the past. So take your lessons, and whenever you look back also, you should only look back at it as the lessons that you learned, and that's it. Don't carry the energy of those experiences in your present and future. At the same time, plan more futuristic as well. So when I say futuristic, at least anything between 3 weeks to 3 months, because at times you end up planning a little end moment. So just have a little backup plan for everything. Again, not compulsory, but it's like not even a backup plan. It's just that stay flexible, or find ways that you may have to at times bend a little, like you may have to bend a little bit of a rule or anything like that. So that way, in terms of work, yes, it's time to delegate, so that you can have a balance functioning in terms of your work life. So if you're looking for a balance functioning and futuristic planning, then you need to delegate work so that you can focus on the right things, and the rest can be taken care of by the others. Very interestingly, when it comes to finance, the message is really good. When it comes to finance, first thing is, yes, you are attracting financial growth over here. While you are attracting, with time you will attract stability. Right now it may be a little chaotic, but there is growth. So it may feel chaos because a lot of things may be happening together, and there may be too many things happening, but in a positive light, and hence it may be chaotic, but a positive chaos is what I would say. So yes, you are seeing financial growth. That is the phase now you're entering into, which is here to stay for long run. And yes, there may be multiple places from where you may have certain financial gains coming your way. Okay, so interestingly over here, one thing very immediately came was that if any of you were having a third party situation happening for you, and you wanted it to get resolved and things to fall in your favor, yes, it is happening. Things are about to move in the direction where things will start falling in your favor, and the third party would be going. So this, we are obviously talking in terms of love, romance and relationships. Now after that, it is your call whether you want to move forward immediately with things or not with the person you are with. Because yes, that person would come out clean and would want to now take things forward and in a direction that you want. But at the same time, there seems to be some reluctance from your end, because again, you may have had your trust issues because of this third party situation. So all I would say is take your time to come to some decisions, but at the end of the day, have clear communication around it. No matter what, have a very clear communication. If you need to take time, just convey that message to the person that I need time because the trust has been shattered. So that is what, have clear communication in terms of whatever you're feeling. This was just an example. People who are already ideally committed, everything going smooth in terms of relationship, when I say committed, it means you are either dating, engaged or married. If you guys want to, of course, move forward with it, this is a beautiful time to move forward into the next phase of your relation. But over here, it seems that one of you seem to be a little hesitant. Again, I feel it's here, I'm not able to pinpoint exactly, because this is a general reading. So for some it would be you, and in some people's cases it could be a partner, but one of you seem to be a little hesitant that do you want to take the relation to the next level right now. It's not that they are hesitant to take it or not, it's just that not right now maybe, and that is why they want to take some time, or you want to take some time. Whichever way, you need to communicate. That is very, very important. I think for all the Librans, I would first think when it comes to love, romance, and relationships, I will say is, oh, be open for communications. Don't, have barriers. I won't say boundaries, but barriers. You are having barriers, not boundaries. So boundaries are good, barriers are not good. So be free of those barriers and be open for communication. For people who are single and are looking forward to get into a relationship, what I really see is that, again, that yes, there could be potential, 2 to 3 people you may come across, and or you've already come across one or two, and maybe someone more may come across. So that is what I see the situation, out of which one person you really feel as such very interesting and you would want to take things forward, but yet again, the other person may be ready for it, but you seem to be a little hesitant to move forward. Again, if that is so, have a clear communication, because they definitely know where they want to head with you. So all you have to do is, have a clear communication if you don't want to move forward with anything as of now. If you want to take your own time, because what I really feel is you want to take your own time, that's all. So just, again, clear communication. Yes, so a lot of places you are even having a lot of barriers about communicating. So be open to that. See things for the way they are, and it is all in your hand. Hence, I would say that make sure you are doing what is necessary and communicating wherever necessary. Don't stop yourself from doing what you feel is right. Other than that, if you feel that there are people who are gossiping or about you or saying something, I would just say that don't get into any kind of arguments with anyone. Just choose the higher path and keep focusing yourself on yourself and moving forward, because you know what you're doing, so you don't need to explain it to everyone. On certain things, on certain occasions or certain places, I would say that you need to even be a little action oriented, because you know what you need to do, but sometimes you are not really taking the necessary actions immediately. You take a lot more time. So yes, time to be a little more action oriented is what I would say. Balance spirituality and practicality. So maybe this is going to help you in this duration also, to have a good balance between spirituality and practicality. Nothing of too much is good, so the best is to balance. Gratitude. I am thankful for the life and the opportunity that is that it presents. So make sure you are practicing gratitude as well to attract more better things, because that is what is happening in this duration. Intuition. Trust your intuitions. It has been guiding you to the answers you seek. So yes, you may have strong intuitive nudges, and that will help you to kind of, like, that, and I mean, actually not just answers, but help you navigate every situation as well. Destiny. It is not in the stars but in yourself. I think I mentioned that certain things are like within you, and if there is something very strongly within you, you should focus on it and work towards it. I'm worthy of respect and acceptance. So yes, you are worthy of respect and acceptance from everyone. Again, these are things which you should, these affirmations are the ones which you should use for two reasons. Mainly is to get into a specific kind of a mindset and to attract what you want. I'm surrounded by love and support. Very interesting. Again, um yes, you are surrounded by love and support, and more so you are supported by the universe, so make the most of it. I am valuable. Today I shall believe in my skills and abilities. I will not run away I will not run myself down. I will learn to trust myself more and more every day. You should work on trusting yourself. Maybe you do doubt yourself a lot of times. At times, before others can pull you down, you yourself consider that you are incapable of certain things. So you should trust your skills and abilities, because you are valuable. And again, in the beginning I said that, if there is something that you really believe in, you should be, start to work on those things. And for that, you will have to believe in your skills and abilities, because you have it in you. That's why you have those dreams within you. So yeah. Yes, so there are, like, even if there are going to be situations which are going to be difficult, you are going to be able to find ways to fly over them and find a solution of everything, and move in the direction that you want to move into. So all you need to do is start working on working on whatever you believe in, and have faith that you're going to be, constantly shown paths, or are going to be guided and protected all the time. Like, you're going to be protected even in the most difficult situation, so don't worry. Life is not about finding yourself, life is about creating yourself. George Bernard Shaw. So yes, again, life is not about finding yourself but about creating yourself. So this is the time to create for you and yourself. Like, whatever you want to create, which is entirely for yourself, is also what you should be focusing on in this duration. Trust the universe and go with the flow. Again, I just said some time back also that universe is favoring you, so just go with the flow. I set clear goals and achieve them. Everything is around your deep down wish, your deep down goals, and you should focus on, achieving them. Set clear goals. Again, I think I mentioned about gaining clarity on certain aspects. So do that and just focus on it. There is a very deep down goal or a deep down wish that you should really, really focus on, is what I would say. It's time for you to start focusing and working on your that deep down wish in you, or the goal in you. A year from now, very interestingly, I can just say is that whatever you will start working on yourself now, a year from now, you will be proud of yourself, of how much you've built in this duration, and how much amazing stuff you've created for yourself. The level of success you've achieved, you will see the difference. You will see a vast difference from whatever you're seeing now, and next year February end, you will see the difference. So it's time for you to start working towards your higher goals, whatever it may be, like, or the deep down goal that you have, that you've held within yourself. So I hope you do resonate with this. If you have any suggestions, if you want to share something, please drop them in the comment section, and like, share and subscribe to the channel. It will mean a lot to me. It will really be helpful for me, and thank you for the help, is what I would say. And yes, until then, thank you so much, and see you in the next reading. Bye bye.